President of our local Southern Anti-Racism Network, Ms. Teresa Elamedi.
All right.
Forward together, not one step back.
All right.
The Southern Anti-Racism Network was founded in 1999 in North Carolina. And I've been here about 3.5 years, so I had a chance to participate in the beginnings of what was called HK on J that became Moral Monday. Started in 2006, and when we were getting together to decide on the legislative agenda, because it is a legislative agenda, marching on the legislature every single year in February with a 14-point agenda. And the top 3 items on that agenda: education, a constitutional right to an adequate education. That's what's in the North Carolina. And there's a similar wording here in the Georgia. And so we really need that stop the school to prison pipeline and really educate folks. And the second item on the agenda was economic inequality. Let's be fair, especially for labor and labor rights. North Carolina is one of 2 states that outlaw collective bargaining for public employees. It's against the law. You can't bargain if you're a public worker in North Carolina. And so there's a big fight about that, to remove that law. And it happened in 1956 in North Carolina. And the third item is health care. And I think that's at the center of what we're trying to do. Can you believe that Medicaid expansion is going to be not done in Georgia? In North Carolina, it's like all across the South. People are refusing it. And it's just a shame, because people are already dying.
That's right.
People are already dying.
Yes.
And so we really want to stand for that. I came here from North Carolina just this morning. It was a great time there, and everybody is so excited about what's going on here in Georgia. In a very short time, you know, Georgia has just jumped out there. And I tell you, the Atlanta folks, how many Atlanta folks in here? Yeah, the Atlanta, my hometown, by the way. I haven't lived there in a long time, but it's my hometown. And they're really a high level of organizational development in Atlanta. And the state capital is there. So we're counting on Atlanta to do a lot. But this plan of going around from city to city is exactly what we need, so we can deal with any unevenness, because it really does have to be a statewide coalition.
That's right.
Everybody has to
Right.
get on board. It really does have to be statewide. And I'm just so happy to be a part of it. And I thank President Johnson and President Nate Sanderson of the branch, because at Freedom Summer in Mississippi is where I met Mingo. And he told me he was coming here. You remember Mingo? Yeah, and so, you know, 50 years ago, we were doing some of the same things we're doing now, fighting for voting rights. And so I really want to thank everybody for letting me share my words today. And I look forward to working with you over the long haul.
We shouldn't turn around.
Turn around, look.
Turn around. We shouldn't just turn around and give up.
We're in it for the long haul. Till we die.
In other words, forward together.
Not one step back.
Let me see if you got that. Let's try that again. Forward together.
Not one step back.
Well, if you're a Baptist, wave your hand at me. Call that response. Forward together. This is not really something you can say sitting down. It's like you can't say hallelujah sitting down. You can't say praise the Lord sitting down. You got to stand up and with all